know you're somewhere, somewhere. I'm trapped in my mind, girl, just holding on. I don't wanna pretend we're something we're nothing. I've been stuck thinking about her, I can't hold I'm in pain, wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change. Suicide the same time, Montaigne, picture this in bag, get a phone call. Girl that you fuck with, kill herself. That was this summer and nobody helped. And ever since then, when I hate myself, wanna fucking end it. Pessimistic, all wanna see me with no pot to piss in. But niggas been inside about the grave I'm digging. Have a conversation about my hate decisions, fucking sickening. At the same time, memories surface through the grapevine. By my uncle playing with a slip knot. Plus some out of stress, got me fucked up, been fucked up. Since a couple months they had a nigga locked up. I'll be feeling pain, just hold on. I'm trying to feel the same. I'm so numb.